Today we're making a shave horse. A shave horse is a special kind of bench that you can use to clamp down a small piece of wood that you are working with a plane or a shave, or in our case, a draw knife. We make a lot of pins for our timber frames. We have made probably 200 or 300 pins so far, and it's a bit tedious without a shave horse. So enough procrastinating, and today's the day. We're building a shave horse. Micah is getting started. We have a design that we just saw online. It doesn't have any dimensions, but I like the way it looks. So yeah, that's the plan. It has a kind of a foot, what do you call it, like a foot pedal that you'll press on to cause a little clamping action, and then you'll hold a small piece like a peg. Hopefully it'll work out.
The problem is I don't know how far to go more on this one, so I don't want this one to go all the way through.
Yep, you just go until they hit each other. So stop there and switch to the other side.
Did it?
That's it. Like scoot back a little bit. Since you're shorter, you're probably going to sit closer up towards the front than me. We're just testing out the height. We have to build legs, but we're testing out the height with this block. And the piece is going to go somewhere in here. There's going to be a break out here that we step on with our feet, and then we'll be drawing against it. So I think it's going to be just about right. Maybe a little long still. Try to keep that 10-degree angle, okay? That's never coming out of there. Okay, we've got the general shape cut out for the shave horse. I kind of like it. It's not super symmetrical. It has some live edge on it, some branches sticking off, so it kind of reminds you that it was a tree. Now we got to cut some arms for the, I don't know what you call it, maybe the pedal. So I don't know exactly how long to make it, so I'm just going to make it kind of long and then try it out and adjust it a little bit, put screws in to hold it in place temporarily, and then once I like the dimensions of it, drill those out and put some big old oak pegs in. Okay, we used some scrap wood to just get it dialed in as far as the distances and lengths. We didn't know how exactly to make it. We can put a piece in there, keep it tight, and work on it. Or if we need to get it higher, we can actually move this block in and out and get it a little bit higher, lower. Thinner piece, maybe come out here. A thicker piece up here, vice versa. I don't know. But now that we've got the dimensions set, we're gonna make some actual pieces for these sides and make them to the same length as these test pieces. That went pretty well. We never really had a drawing or a plan for it, but this is what it turned out to be. I think it's kind of handsome. It took us about a day and a half to put it together, and it makes a huge difference. So if I could project out into the year, I'd say we're probably going to make probably close to 1,000 pegs this year, and this is going to really speed us up. The big thing is you get to sit down, and it's real quick to turn the piece. So you just do a few shaves, give it a turn, and do a few more shaves, and you're done. So that's awesome. Thank you for joining us on the channel. See you on the next one.